From the Tacoma Narrows Bridge to the Morandi Bridge, count down 5 of the most shocking bridge collapses in history and learn what led to these catastrophic events. The Tacoma Narrows Bridge in Washington state collapsed just 4 months after its opening in 1940. The bridge's collapse was caught on film, making it one of the most studied engineering failures in history. The Morandi Bridge in Italy collapsed in 2018, killing 43 people and injuring 16 others. A combination of corrosion and poor maintenance led to the Morandi Bridge's catastrophic failure. The Silver Bridge in West Virginia collapsed in 1967, resulting in the deaths of 46 people. The collapse of the Silver Bridge led to major changes in bridge inspection and safety regulations in the United States. There are over 70 million forcibly displaced people worldwide, with 1 in 5 being children under 18. Over 70 million people worldwide are forcibly displaced, a record high since World War II. 1 in 5 displaced people are children under 18, with many separated from their families. In 2020, 11,000 people were forced to flee their homes every day, or 1 person every 2 seconds. The top 3 countries hosting displaced people are Turkey, Pakistan, and Uganda, with over 3.7 million combined. 80% of displaced people are hosted in low and middle-income countries, straining local resources. The average length of displacement is 10 years, with some conflicts lasting over 20 years. Master the art of car speaker wiring with this step-by-step guide on how to wire a 4-channel amplifier to 6 speakers using the correct gauge wire and connectors. A 4-channel amplifier can power up to 8 speakers, but will focus on wiring 6 speakers for optimal sound. The correct gauge wire for car speakers depends on the amplifier's power output and the distance to the speakers. A 1/6 gauge wire is recommended for speakers within 10 feet of the amplifier, while 1/4 gauge is better for longer distances. Using the wrong gauge wire can result in power loss, heat buildup, and even damage to your amplifier or speakers. When wiring multiple speakers to a single channel, it's essential to use a parallel wiring configuration to maintain impedance. Explore the critically endangered Asiatic cheetah, with fewer than 50 individuals remaining in the wild, and learn about the conservation efforts to protect this majestic species. The Asiatic cheetah is a subspecies of cheetah found only in Iran, with a population of less than 50 individuals. Historically, Asiatic cheetahs roamed across the Middle East and India, but their range has drastically declined. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching have contributed to the species' critical decline. Conservation efforts, including camera traps and habitat protection, are underway to monitor and safeguard the remaining population. Iran has launched initiatives to educate local communities about the importance of cheetah conservation and reduce human-cheetah conflict.
The rivalry between Alex Higgins and Steve Davis in the 1980s is considered one of the greatest in snooker history. Alex Higgins, a fiery Northern Irishman, won 2 World Snooker Championships in 1972 and 1982. Steve Davis, a calculated Englishman, dominated the sport in the 1980s, winning 6 World Championships. Their rivalry peaked in 1983 when Higgins defeated Davis 1/8 15 inches the UK Championship final. Davis avenged his loss by beating Higgins 1/8 16 inches the 1984 World Championship final. The 2 players faced each other in 14 ranking finals, with Davis winning 8 of them. Their epic rivalry helped popularize snooker, increasing TV viewership and prize money in the 1980s.
Hear the untold stories of World War II civilians like Irina Sendler, a Polish social worker who saved 2,500 Jewish children from the Warsaw Ghetto, and learn about their bravery and resilience in the face of war. During World War II, millions of civilians suffered under Nazi occupation, their stories often overlooked. Irina Sendler, a Polish social worker, smuggled 2,500 Jewish children out of the Warsaw Ghetto. Sendler kept detailed records of the children's identities, hoping to reunite them with their families after the war. Civilians like Sendler risked their lives to resist the Nazi regime, facing imprisonment, torture, and death. Sendler's bravery was recognized in 2003 when she was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. The 1905 Hubbard map sparked a border dispute between Venezuela and Guyana, leading to the Venezuela crisis. In 1905, American explorer William Hubbard created a map that would spark a century-long border dispute. Hubbard's map placed the Essequibo region, rich in gold and rubber, entirely within British Guiana's borders. Venezuela claimed the region, citing an 1899 arbitration award that favored its ownership. The dispute escalated into the Venezuela crisis, with both sides mobilizing troops and warships. The crisis was resolved in 1899, but the border dispute remains unresolved to this day. The Hubbard map's inaccuracy had far-reaching consequences, shaping the modern borders of South America. Discover the natural springs and lush vegetation of Huacachina, a breathtaking oasis in Peru's Ica Desert. Huacachina Oasis is a small lagoon in Peru's Ica Desert, surrounded by massive sand dunes. This natural wonder was formed by a combination of underground rivers and rainwater. The oasis is home to over 100 species of plants and animals, many found nowhere else on Earth. Huacachina's unique ecosystem supports a variety of wildlife, including birds, reptiles, and mammals. The oasis has been a vital source of water and food for indigenous communities for thousands of years. Today, Huacachina is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world with its breathtaking scenery. From the first computer game to the rise of arcade culture, let's take a journey through the unexpected history of video games. The first computer game, Tennis for Two, was created in 1958 by physicist William Higginbotham. In 1972, the first home console, Magnavox Odyssey, was released, selling over 30 million units. The iconic game, Pong, was introduced in 1972, popularizing the concept of home gaming. The rise of arcades, in the 1970 seconds and 80 seconds, led to the birth of competitive gaming culture. The introduction of Space Invaders, in 1978, revolutionized the gaming industry with its addictive gameplay. The 1980 seconds saw the video game crash, but it paved the way for the modern gaming industry. Examine the psychological effects of the 737 MAX's crashes on passengers, including changes in flying habits, trust in airlines, and the long-term consequences for the aviation industry. In 2018, 350 million passengers flew on the 737 MAX, unaware of the impending crisis. The two crashes in 2018 and 2019 resulted in a 95% drop in Boeing's market value. A survey found 60% of passengers reported feeling anxious or nervous about flying on the 737 MAX. Following the crashes, 25% of passengers reported avoiding certain airlines or flight routes. The 737 MAX crisis led to a 10% increase in flight cancellations and delays globally. The aviation industry suffered an estimated $10 billion loss in revenue due to the 737 MAX grounding.